Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT. This site cannot provide a secure connection problem in ChatGPT application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 4. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search ChatGPT application. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. Step 5. Open your ChatGPT application. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT. This site cannot provide a secure connection problem in ChatGPT application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.